everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create your own GitHub account. So first of all, go to github.com. GitHub is actually a platform for the developers where you can upload your source code and share it with everyone. Once the code is uploaded, you can just share the link of that, and anyone with this link can have access to your source code, whatever you have uploaded. And there are a lot of hosting services which allow you to integrate your GitHub account with them. And once you integrate that, you can just directly make your website live with the help of that code instead of uploading that on hosting server. So how to do that? First of all, you can see here sign in and sign up option. So our account is not created as yet, so we will just click on sign up. And after that, we have different options. We can sign in with Google, with Apple account, or simple email. I will go ahead with Google. So I will just click on it and then click on my Gmail account and allow it to continue. So after that, it is asking for the username. Let's say it's verify, and the country should be uh, Pakistan. Okay, so this username is not available, so let's try another one. This one is available, and we do not need any sort of updates email from them, so I will just create account. So it is just taking a little bit of time to verify your account. As you can see, it will redirect you to a page. So here you can create a repository. Repository is actually a source code, you can say, and you can import this or create a new one. So if you have already created on your local PC, you can just simply load that by importing, by just writing the URL, or you can just create a new. Create a repository. Just have to click on create repository here, and then you have to choose the unique name. It should be unique among all the repository you have in your account, not in the entire world. So I will write like my rep one, let's say, and here you can type the description of that, whatever you want to write about your project or something. So I will actually create it later. So let me just write my this for time being, and then you can make it private or public, whatever you want to do, and then you can just click on create repository here. So after that, as you can see in URL, this is the this is my the username of GitHub account, and this is the repository name. Okay, so after this, you have an option to upload an existing file or create a new file. So I will just click on upload an existing file, and here it is giving you an option to upload file from your local server, local PC. So if I have a code file here, I will just click on that and upload it here. Let's see, I have one in my document. Okay, so we have few code file of Python here. So I will just select them all and upload it over here. So I will just upload it here, and as you can see, all my files are uploaded. So, and there is an option to create a new project as well, and there are a lot of different options. You can just explore them by yourself. So yeah, that's for the video. If you like the video, please consider subscribing the channel and also hit the bell icon so that you do not miss any other video of this channels. And yeah, thanks for watching.